What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-118527-4. There was a problem resolving the host name. So here is a problem, some kind of host name on your internet connection. Here I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Then simply you just go to the settings here, and then user accounts, you must check the user account, PSN account is logged in or not, and then the view PlayStation Network services. Here is the services, check it, and then set up internet connection. Go, you just using a Wi-Fi or other setting, go to the advanced settings. Here you get the host settings. Here's the DHCP host, and here is the DNS settings. Here's the DHCP host. Here is the don't specify, you just go to the specify, and here DSP host name. You just set a host name from here, and then connect it in the advanced settings. You set up simply a host name here, and here's the IP address and other settings, and your setting 1500 is good, even better. And the wired LAN one, I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN one, and here's you just forget it and then connect with the new one. Then simply you can fix this kind of error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one, for the next topic.